Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best neck fans that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Gulaki. If you are looking for both a neck fan and desk fan at one device, choosing Gulaki portable neck fan is the best choice. Due to its design, you can use this neck fan as a portable desk fan to use in your workstation and living room. In addition, you can wear this neck fan around the neck, which allows you to keep your hands free. It is suitable for personal cooling and camping. It is also suitable for participating in outdoor events and sports. It has a double-headed design with 2 fans that can revolve 360 degrees, allowing you to choose the optimal wind direction. This is the best USB fan. You can adjust the speed in 3 levels, low, medium, and high. It comes with LED lights which could be cool in the nighttime. It has a 2000 mAh built lithium-ion battery which is rechargeable. You can charge it using a USB cable. It is compatible with most portable chargers, computers, and laptops. Based on the mode, the battery lasts up to 2.5 hours to 6 hours. The neck fan comes with 7 blades. It is lightweight and cool to use. At number 4. Jisulife. If you are looking for a bladeless portable neck fan, then picking a Jisulife neck fan will be an excellent choice. It is designed as a neckband to use quickly when you are traveling. It is stylish, and you can use it anywhere in hot weather. You won't have to worry about your long hair getting caught in the blade because this neck fan doesn't have one. Instead, it has 78 air holes around the neck and can be used for the entire face, ensuring that you are kept cool at all times. If you are spending most of your time outside, then a neck fan is the must-have device in the summer season. This leafless hanging neck fan is made without wings, making it suitable for toddlers and the elderly to use. The motor in the wearable neckband fan has been adjusted to produce noises of at least 25 decibels when in use. It's enough to be able to hear your breathing. ABS and silicone are both environmentally acceptable materials. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery which is better than the previous one. The working hours of the battery are 4 to 16 hours. It differs according to the speed. By continuously pushing the power button, you can change the fan speed to the desired level. At number 3. Sweetfull. If you are looking for a budget-friendly neck fan, selecting Sweetfull portable neck fan is the finest choice. The motor of the wearable personal fan has been changed to make less noise when in use. In addition, the neck fan was made to free up your hands. Depending upon the speed, the 4000 mAh battery will last longer, up to 4 to 10 hours. It's incredibly lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you go. This neck fan is created for people who value comfort above all else, as it is well crafted and delivers a better level of comfort for the user. The padded neckband is very comfortable to sleep in. Sweet, complete bladeless neck fan has a powerful brushless motor that produces just under 40 dB of noise. The small personal fan circulates cool air in any preferred direction. Because of the 0.7 pound weight and various air exits around the neck, you may feel cool anytime. You can wear it when cooking, doing yoga, and shopping. It is ideal for both indoor and outdoor places. If you want to offer someone a gift, this is an excellent device to use. At number 2. Comlife. If you are looking for a neck fan with the best battery life, you can consider a Comlife bladeless neck fan. The fan can run for a long time due to a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery with a huge capacity. Based on the speed, 3 hours of recharging the fan to total capacity will provide 3 to 10 hours of cooling. The bladeless design is suitable for long-haired people, kids, and aged people. Individual charging protection circuits are used to prevent and protect from overcharging, overdischarging, overcurrent, and short circuits, and integrate constant current DC-DC to safeguard the motor from harm and extend the device's lifespan. It comes with 4 speeds, so you can change the fan speed to suit your needs by repeatedly pushing the power button. And depending on the speed, the extended capacity battery can last anywhere from 3.5 to 21 hours. In addition, it has a hand-free design that allows you to free your hand. You may also modify the airflow direction due to the soft silicone on the fan's neck. The fan's superior and attractive look makes it excellent for various uses, including fieldwork, fitness, gardening, stroller rides, casual walks, driving, traveling, camping, fishing, and everything else you can think of. Furthermore, the fan's numerous minor air ports may provide you with a 360-degree quiet wind around your neck and face. At number 1. Comlife. If you are searching for a neck fan with more adjustable speed, then you can select Comlife battery-operated neck fan. This portable neckband fan has 4 fan blades and dual fans, providing more robust and calm wind from both sides than a 3-blade fan. In addition, the ultra-silent engine creates a quiet breeze, allowing you to enjoy the ideal cooling without being disturbed by loud noise. It has a hands-free ergonomic design. It is lightweight and made of soft silicone material that can be rotated 360 degrees to suit your needs. You can wear it comfortably. It is convenient to carry in luggage or backpack or use as a desk fan. The vital device for heat sufferers, whether working, jogging, touring, hiking, vacationing, attending an outdoor performance. The unique feature of this wearable USB fan is it has 6 wind speed options for specific cooling requirements, with a maximum speed of 5.1 meters per second. Moreover, the fan stops for 5 seconds after each and every 5 seconds in the more energy-efficient natural wind mode. It is designed with a built-in high-quality rechargeable 2600 mAh battery, with 2 to 5 hours working, depending on the speed setting. Under natural wind mode, it may last up to 16 hours, meeting your various needs at various times. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.